Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I just wanted to do a very quick, fast video. Crooks Motorsports is coming out with some decals, overlays for the push start stop button, and I just wanted to show you guys. Here is a concept, but he's already launching on the website. It's already up. You can use Boosted Whips for 20% off, and basically you can choose from a variety of background colors, and you can put your own text on there. So go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link on the bottom, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. Any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.